Hi, this is Monique Anderson, founder of Prize Dream. If you've ever wanted to walk in the footsteps of successful and inspiring business owners, you probably have a lot of questions. Where do I start? How can I overcome the obstacles between me and my dreams? Is it even a good time to be in business? And how long will it take to actually see results? At Prize Dream, we offer you the chance to win a once-in-a-lifetime experience and spend some quality time with an inspiring individual. For a small donation to an amazing charity, you can be in with the chance of winning an experience of a lifetime. So, if you want to find out more about Prize Dream and our pending launch, sign up with your name and email address on this page and let Prize Dream help you realise your dreams today.